Ever dreamt of seeing justice served in the most visually satisfying way imaginable? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Reddit revenge and bringing those epic tales to life with the magic of Leonardo Ai. You know those incredible stories on Reddit's r/pro revenge or r/malicious compliance? They're rife with ingenious ways people have gotten back at those who wronged them now. Imagine visualizing these acts of sweet, sweet justice with stunning AI-generated imagery. Our secret weapon? Leonardo Ai, this powerful tool lets us generate unique images based on detailed text prompts first. Find your inspiration on Reddit. Look for a story that sparks your imagination, something with a clear setup and a satisfying payoff. Now, let's translate that story into a prompt for Leonardo Ai. Be descriptive. Think about the emotions, the setting, the characters, and the overall mood. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can capture your vision. Once you've got your prompt dialed in, hit Generate in Leonardo Ai. Experiment with different styles and models within the platform to find the perfect aesthetic for your revenge fantasy. Don't be afraid to iterate, tweak your prompts, and regenerate until you achieve that perfect visual punch. For this specific revenge video format, we'll generate a few key scenes that tell the story, maybe the setup, the act of revenge itself, and the smug satisfaction of the protagonist. Think of it as creating a visual storyboard directly from Reddit's wild west of justice. Piece these generated images together in your favorite video editor, add some dramatic music, maybe a few subtle sound effects, and you've got yourself a captivating Reddit revenge video. It's a unique and surprisingly fun way to bring online narratives to life. From petty grievances to grand acts of justice, with Leonardo Ai, anyone can become a director of their favorite online tales of retribution. So go forth, find your inspiration, and unleash your inner AI revenge maestro.